Aaron, we now have made our way around to the left-hand side of the machine, and I know there's something exciting on this side. All this new shielding, all the new access, everything that's going on around the machine is just really exciting. And I remember a little bit of a roar from the crowd when we showed this next feature.
This is by far the thing that got the most reaction, and I can understand why, right? Because remember what the goal of the maximum access shielding was. Getting the maximum access to be able to decrease the amount of service time and increase the in-field time. And this really will help out a lot of farmers in being able to service and repair, should they need to, the machine to get them back in the field faster. So without much further ado, let's take a look at this left-hand shield. Now there's two ways you can open it, right?
Right.
So there's a typical way of guys are kind of familiar with, in that we're opening up down here to be able to access the DEF tank, to be able to fill with DEF, or do anything they need to do down here. But the showstopper, Robert.
So one thing on that shield though, Aaron, how easy that shield works,
That's right?
It's a one-piece shield. You unlatch it, it picks itself up. Unlike
the previous design had a little bit of concern with that. And not only that, it opens up wider too, to where there's more access to be able to get to those components that you need to.
I think that's an very important part of the whole thing. But let's see the next one, Aaron.
So this is the showstopper, Robert. This is what elicited the most response from our dealer friends, and that is...
And you can see why, right?
That's right. Right? Because this is, we lovingly call it the barn door because it's wide open like, like a barn door. So again, this is the unmatched access that you're able to get with the maximum access shielding. Again, this is access to be able to get to critical components to where when you need to, you can get back in the field faster because you're spending less time trying to repair and access those critical components.
Absolutely. And just opening this door up and everything that you can see on the combine really brings to life how simple this Gleaner combine is, right? Where before, you know, it was difficult to get this far into it. It took time and it was a little darker. Now it's very lit up and easy to jump in there.
That's absolutely right.